All right, and now yet another video of How Do You Do by Han. This is your guy Aaron. So we're going to be starting this snowblower, but this time instead of the pull start, we're going to be using the electric start method. So we have our plug. It can go right into a 120 volt outlet, and just make sure that it is securely plugged in before you walk away. Then you take your female end of your electrical cord, and this is the inlet port. So for electric start, you just have to plug that into the side. And now that you're plugged in here, it's as simple as going through the steps again. If this is a fresh start, let's say it's 20 degrees or below, you're gonna wanna be in full choke. Because we recently started this machine, I'm actually gonna go straight to run because the engine is a little warm. I'm not going to prime it this time because, again, we just started this machine. The key is in. I'm going to put my lever to run, and now you're ready to go back over to your electric start. A good indicator, if you have an extension cord that has the light inside, you know that you do have power, so you don't have to guess whether there's electricity going through your extension cord. And now all I'm going to do is hold the electric start until the machine starts, and then once it starts and the engine is running, I'm going to let go of the electric start. After I release the electric start button, I'm going to unplug my extension cord, set the cord back inside of the garage or wherever you are storing your cord, and then you can continue on from there. So let's give it a go. Alright, so those were both methods essentially of the pull start with the pull cord and then the electric start for this Troy-Bilt Storm 2410 two-stage snow thrower. Again, my name is Aaron, your host. Thank you for watching another episode of How Do You Do in steps 1 and 2.